students. Today we discuss about the trigonometry's addition and subtraction formula. Last time we discussed the introduction of trigonometry, angle and measurements of trigonometry. Then we are just go through with our different type of angles 0 to 360 degree. And after that we find the complements of angles, means 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta. And now today we discuss about this addition and subtraction formula. These four relations is actually the backbone of the trigonometry. I says that this is sin A plus B is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. And cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Here, from these four relations, we find this type of four relations more. When we add this sin A plus B and sin A minus B, then this cos A and sin B is cancels and remains 2 sin A into cos B. When we subtract, then of course that is equal to cos A into sin B, 2 cos A into sin B. When third and fourth formula we can add, that is equal to 2 cos A into cos B. And this is the different than others, that's why I write this one. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to 2 sin A into sin B. Suppose I am taken that A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D. So with the help of this, I find solve the equations of these two, that A is equal to C plus D upon 2 and B is equal to C minus D upon 2. Now I just add, or just not add, we just substitute the values of A plus B and A minus B in this sin A plus B, sin A minus B and so on. So therefore we can write sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. So in place of A plus B, I will write here sin C, and A minus B is sin B, and therefore in place of A, I will write here 2 sin A C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. This is my formula of this one. This is another form with this sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Now another form, this sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A into sin B. So in place of A plus B, I will write here sin C plus minus sin A minus B, or that is equal to D, sorry, is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 and C minus D upon 2. With the help of this cos A plus B and cos A minus B, so in place of A plus B, I will write here cos of C plus cos of D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 and cos C minus D upon 2. Now this is another change of this one, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and that is written as 2 sin A into sin B. This cos A minus B, this is actually, and this is minus sin A minus B, so that should be 2 sin A into sin B. And here cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. But here remember, this is equal to your sin D minus sin C, and this is the most important factor, and this will be and therefore we can explain this another form that is also the most important. And if we wish, we can also write this sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin D minus C upon 2. So we can also solve with the help of this, and this is most important, and be careful, this type of questions asked in the examination also. Here the sin 15 degree can be written as sin of 45 degree minus 30 degree. So this sin A minus B, I apply this relation. So this is sin A minus B is equal to cos of A sin of A this is sin 45 minus 30 degree, sin 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. So that is root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And therefore we will write here root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Here also the applications of these laws to find the different values of 90 plus theta sin and cos tan cot cosec sec, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. These all types of values we can also calculate. We calculate with these four relations. How can we take? Just to take that sin 360 degree plus theta. When 360 degree plus theta is equal to sin of 360 degree into cos theta plus cos 360 degree is sin theta. And therefore that is 0 into cos theta plus cos 360 is 1. So that should be written as 1 into sin theta, and that is equal to sin theta. So we can also calculate. Just we can say it's a shortcut method. So now this is also the important feature of these four relations. Now we find the value of cos 75 degree. This cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So this cos of 30 degree plus 45 degree is equal to cos of 30 degree, cos of 45 degree, and sin 30 degree and sin 45 degree. And therefore this should be equal to root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and minus 1 by 2 1 by root 2, and therefore we will write here root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 is equal to cos 75 degree. So this is a coincidence that sine 15 degree and this cos 75 degree having also the same value.